Smart factories everywhere are leveraging technology and vast amounts of Industry 4.0 data to improve sustainability, reduce cost, and keep workers safe. Supporting these goals means solving challenges, and Allied Telesis can help with a network solution that's reliable, secure, and easy to manage. You know that it's essential to reliably connect machinery, sensors, IIoT devices, and control systems that drive your smart factory, so real-time data is available for fast issue resolution, increased efficiency, and continuous operation of your cyber-physical production systems. Our resilient network technologies connect hardened equipment that can be placed anywhere for always-on access to machinery, as well as seamless Wi-Fi connectivity for handheld devices that keep production lines moving. Security is also key to prevent malicious intrusion, intellectual property data breaches, and maintain personal privacy, as failure has serious business consequences. Allied Telesis automated security features and SDN-controlled microsegmentation ensure powerful protection of your IT and OT systems and strong defense against cybercrime. And centralized management can revolutionize production, with real-time visibility providing a converged view of IT and OT systems for singular focus and reduced burden on support engineers. We have network automation tools that simplify day-to-day management and an intuitive live dashboard to make monitoring your complex systems easy. So add more smarts to your factory by partnering with us. Together, we'll meet challenges head-on with a reliable, secure, and easy-to-manage solution that supports sustainable manufacturing so you can build better. Allied Telesis. Network smarter.